Welcome to Global Forex Guide. Today, we're going to explore a key concept in Forex trading, the lot. Understanding what a lot is and how it works is essential for anyone looking to succeed in the Forex market. So, let's get started. What is a lot? In Forex trading, a lot is a unit of measurement that standardizes the size of a trade. It represents the number of currency units you're buying or selling in a trade. There are four main types of lots: standard, mini, micro, and nano. Types of lots. Let's break down each type. 1. Standard lot. This is the equivalent of 100,000 units of the base currency in a currency pair. It's the largest lot size most retail traders use. 2. Mini lot. This is 10,000 units of the base currency. It's 1/10 the size of a standard lot. 3. Micro lot. This is 1,000 units of the base currency, or 1/10 the size of a mini lot. 4. Nano lot. This is 100 units of the base currency, ideal for beginners looking to trade with very small amounts of money. Why lots matter? Understanding lot sizes is crucial for managing risk and leveraging your trades effectively. The lot size you choose affects your potential profit and loss. For example, a 1 pip move in a standard lot represents a $10 change, while in a mini lot, it's a $1 change. Practical example. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you buy one standard lot of USD at 1.2 thousand and the price moves to 120.50. This 50 pip movement means a profit of $500, 50 pips, $10 per pip. If you were trading a mini lot, the profit would be $50, 50 pips, $1 per pip. Choosing the right lot size. Choosing the right lot size depends on your account size, risk tolerance, and trading strategy. Beginners often start with micro or nano lots to minimize risk, while more experienced traders might use standard or mini lots for higher potential returns. Understanding what a lot is and how to choose the right lot size is essential for your Forex trading success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Forex tips and guides. And if you're ready to start trading, check out our recommended broker, Exness, through the link in the description. Also, sign up with Binance to manage your crypto investments easily. Both links are in the description below.